Detroit in the 1970s was a car town. And everybody, what you did was you went to high school, and then you left right out with your diploma. You walked down to the factory, you put in your application, you got a job. And that job paid you good money. You could buy a house, raise a family with it. I grew up in that time, and my parents believed in work, and they did not believe that acting was work. They believed that acting was what you did when you weren't working. But my parents also believed in education, and they thought that education was the key that would set you free from whatever might hold you back. It would change the way I saw myself. And when I started to see myself differently, my whole life would change. There's a funny thing that happens with your dream. You're the only one that can actually see it. You try to describe it in words, but people can't get the picture of what's actually in your mind, except for the people who really love you. Because the people who really love you can see your future as clear as you can. And they make sacrifices to make sure that what you see in your head happens for you in your life.